Your body is hiding a secret. It can burn fat, melt toxins, even fight cancer. But here's the shocker. It only happens when you don't eat. This Nobel-winning healing switch is called autophagy, and you might be blocking it every single day. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock it. Naturally, welcome to ChargeUpWellness, your trusted space for natural healing and energy-boosting tips. We're told to eat regularly, snack often, and never skip meals. But what if that very habit is stopping your body from doing what it was designed to do? Clean itself, heal itself, and protect itself from disease. Today, you'll learn about a powerful cellular process called autophagy, how it works, why most people unknowingly block it, and how you can activate it to burn fat, fight inflammation, and repair your body from the inside out. This isn't theory. This is backed by Nobel Prize-winning science. So let's get started. What is autophagy? Autophagy means self-eating, but in a good way. Inside your cells, there are tiny cleanup units called lysosomes. They break down old damaged parts of your cells and recycle them to create new ones. This helps remove toxins, dead cells, damaged proteins, even early cancer cells. Think of it as your body's internal housekeeping system. What blocks this healing process? The answer: constant eating. When your body is always digesting food, it never gets time to repair. Here's how long common foods take to digest. Fruits, 45 minutes. Cooked vegetables, 2 to 4 hours. Grains, 6 to 8 hours. Animal meat, 12 to 24 hours. If you're eating every 3 to 4 hours, you're never giving your body a break, and autophagy can't begin. Why it matters? When autophagy is active, your body starts burning stored fat, repairing damaged cells, reducing inflammation, improving brain function, preventing lifestyle diseases like type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart blockages. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. How to trigger autophagy? Simple steps. Landon, 1. 24-hour fast. Once a week or month, give your body a break. Drink only water, lemon water, or coconut water. 2. Intermittent fasting. Start with a 12-hour gap between dinner and breakfast. Then gradually build to 16 to 8. 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. 3. Eat lighter meals. Avoid heavy animal protein often. It slows digestion and delays healing. Your body doesn't need external fuel all the time. When you stop eating, it starts burning what's already inside: fat, waste, and dead cells. Ancient wisdom, modern science. Fasting isn't new. Our ancestors fasted regularly for health, faith, or tradition. Science now proves what they knew all along. The body heals best when it rests. Let's wrap up. Your body has a natural detox system called autophagy that burns fat, clears toxins, repairs damaged cells, boosts energy and brain clarity. But it only works when you give your body a break. Even one day of mindful fasting can switch this healing on. At ChargeUpWellness, we believe that small, natural changes can lead to powerful transformations. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to stay charged with wellness every week. Remember, you don't need a magic pill. You already have the power to heal. You just have to activate it.